Good morning, everyone. My name is Pradnya Wankhade, and I am first year B.Ed student of PVG College Research, Education and Research, Nasik. So, today's my topic is area of parallelogram. We all have learned about quadrilaterals, right? In quadrilaterals, all the things are same, all the sides are same. So now in parallelogram also we will learn about this. So today's date is 6th November 25. Subject is maths, and my topic is area of parallelogram. Okay, so uh, what do you like? What do you think that like? Are you familiar with rectangles and the calculations of that? How to calculate rectangles and what are the formulas of rectangles? We all are familiar with that. So today we will learn about parallelogram. In the area of an parallelogram is the space enclosed within four sides. The area of a parallelogram is equal to the product of the length and the height of the parallelogram. Okay, hope we are all are clear up to this. So I will show you one example for this. Okay. So this is A, this is B, this is D, and this is C. Okay. So the height will be same. Okay, in parallelogram. Hope we all are clear, right? So now we'll start learning about what exactly parallelogram is. The meaning of parallelogram is a quadrilateral with two pair of parallel side. Two pair means one this and one this. Got it? Okay. So in this we are learning one more also, that is rhombus. One type of parallelogram is a rhombus only. Okay. Okay, so for this parallelogram, we are having one formula also. The formula of parallelogram is area is equals to base multiplied by height. All are clear? What is parallelogram? So for this, now who will tell me? Like you all can write down this or note down this, that this what is the formula of parallelogram, which is very important. Okay, what is parallelogram? What is rhombus? You have to you have to learn it. Hope we all are clear up till now. Okay, for this we will solve one example. Okay, now write down everyone. I will rub this for you and I will write here. Okay. If my question is my question is if the height of a parallelogram is 4 unit and base is 7 units, then find area. Hope all are clear? Okay. I will repeat this question again for you. If a height of a parallelogram is 4 unit and the base is 7 unit, find the area. Okay, this is the formula we all know. Now we will draw the parallelogram to understand more clear. Okay. This will be the height, right? This will be 4 unit and this one will be 7 units, right? Assume A, B, C and this is D. Now what formula is there? What is the formula? Area is equals to base multiplied by height. Simple calculation we have to do. So that will be, shall I rub this? Okay. After drawing this, what we have to do? We have to apply the formula. That is A is equals to 4 multiplied by 7. What is 4? 4 is height. 7 is base. So, it will be 4 multiplied by 7 will be 28 units. So, what will be the area of that parallelogram? That will be 28 unit. Okay? Hope all are clear. Hope all you are clear with this question. If the height of a parallelogram is 4 unit and base is 7 unit, so you have to find the area. Very easily we have find the area of the parallelogram. Okay, now we will take the another example for this. Okay. If base of a base of a parallelogram is 8 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. Okay. Find the area. Find the area. Now what we have to do here? Again we have to apply the formula over here. Right? I will repeat the question for you once again to understand more clearly. That is, if a base of a parallelogram is 8 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter, then we have to find the area. So again, what we will do? We will do the calculation. Base multiplied by height. Okay. So what is base? Base is 8 centimeter. What is height? Height is 5 centimeter. So 8 multiplied by 5. So what will be the area? It will 40 square centimeter. Right? Clear? So now who will you have to recognize the questions. If height of a parallelogram is 4 unit and the base is 7 unit, find the area. Okay. Again you have to revise this. Second question is homework for you. If a area, everyone write down this. Hope this is clear. For you I am giving you homework. Everyone will solve this. Everyone will solve this. Okay, so we have up till now solved two problems, two examples of parallelogram. Now you have one homework. Everyone write down this and do at home. Okay, what is your homework? Write down the question. If area of parallelogram is 112 square centimeter and base is 10 centimeter, then find the height. Easy? Easy? हो गया तो इसमें. Okay, so up till we will revise our whatever things we have learned up till now. Okay, our topic was parallelogram. Okay, in parallelogram, what we have learned? We have learned how to calculate height and base. Okay, the formula of parallelogram is area is equals to base multiplied by height. Okay, who will tell me what is rhombus? This is your homework also. The meaning of rhombus is that the parallelogram is one type of parallelogram is called rhombus only. Okay, everyone will note down this. I know all are observing this video, this YouTube video. Hope you are clear with the topic of area of parallelogram. This YouTube video will help you out to understand the formula of parallelogram. Thank you so much.